Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can report TikTok Live. So first up here, if you want to report a TikTok Live, so basically open up your TikTok application, and then you have two ways here. You can go to Live right there at the top left-hand corner, or you can manually search for a live. So just tap on the search icon right here at the top right, and here you can type in, for example, live, and then tap on search icon, and here you will find all of the live from TikTok. And as you can see here, you just have to select the live that you want to report. So for example, you want to basically report a page right here. So as you can see, this is the live that I want to report. So what you're going to do here is basically just tap and hold the screen. So make sure that you tap and hold on the blank space here. So here, and then as you can see here, an option shows up. So you just have to tap on the report button right there at the top. And once you tap on report, then an option again shows up here. And then you just have to select the accounts that you want to report. So as you can see here, we have multiple accounts on this live. So make sure that you have select the correct account and then tap on next and select a reason why you want to report this live. So there's a bunch of choices here. So in this case, I'm going to tap on false information. So just an example here. And then you can basically select. So for example here, and then tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, as you can see, uh, they will now review your report and take action if there is a violation of the community standard. And then here you're going to show or find the report that you have just sent, and you can review your own report right over here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.